What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome to Fix My Home channel. So recently I make a video about how to assemble the C4 Dolphin vacuum cleaner. So I put the link in the description if you want to check it out. So as you see, this pool is messy. We're gonna use that vacuum cleaner for the first time. So make sure to smash the like button. It's helping us to grow our channel. I really appreciate it, and let's start it. So it's very simple to use the vacuum cleaner. So we're just gonna grab it and put it in the water and connect the cord to that outlet and turn on the power. It's that simple. Let's do it.